Hi everyone, this is Kara here from Wowzers. What I'm going to lead you through in this clip is the dashboard that you would see as a teacher before students begin working. So this would be at a point where you've sent your student lists off to your salesperson or your implementation specialist. Our tech team has rostered your students, and you have your students' usernames and passwords along with your own as well. Now, as a teacher, what you would do is just simply, again, go into login.wowzers.com, so go into that website, and you would put in your username here. Again, this is a sample teacher that we have here, in this case, Tanda Happy. This is her email address and, of course, her password, too. So when we click on Sign In, takes just a moment here, you'll see your class looks a little bit different than the demo class that we've seen here before. Because your students haven't begun in the program. A couple things though as a reminder, and we don't want to save this password for now because I do use other sites, or excuse me, other usernames on the login site. That's why I crossed that little tiny bar out here. But in looking at this, you should see curriculum report and your first class listed here. You will probably see additional classes listed here. Most teachers have more than one class on our system, but some have just one. In this case, we do just see a period 1 class. In order to get back to this homepage, I always like to point this out to teachers that you can always go up here to the upper left-hand corner and click on this yellow W. That yellow W always takes you back to your teacher homepage. So again, you'll see your name at the top, kind of on the right-hand side here, and again, the dashboard listed below. So a couple things to highlight here. Just remember, as your students begin Wowzers, you will start to see, first and foremost, that your students will start to appear as a cartoon image of themselves. So that's the first activity that a student does actually perform in Wowzers. And also they'll see that character interact with our program all throughout. What you will also start to see here very logically is the data will populate here. And the primary score that will show up, you won't just see where the student has progressed, but you'll see an average of what their assessment scores are. So, and again, those assessments are right in line with the second generation tests. And you'll start to see this generate going across here. Now next, what we're going to do is take a closer look at tabs. So thank you, that was the dashboard.